Unlocking the mystery. Understanding root end. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, root end. This term may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a vivid phrase with a clear and useful meaning. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and grasp this interesting expression, stay tuned. First things first, let's define root end. This term is composed of two words: root, which refers to the part of a plant that typically lies below the surface of the soil, and end, which means the final part of something. When combined, root end usually refers to the part of a plant or a vegetable that is closest to its roots. It's most commonly used in the context of cooking or botany. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in context. Let's look at some examples. 1. When preparing onions, you should cut off the root end before chopping them. Here, root end refers to the part of the onion where the roots were attached. 2. The root end of the carrot is often slightly tougher than the rest. In this case, the phrase describes a specific part of a carrot. These examples show how root end can be used in everyday conversations, especially those related to cooking or gardening. Why is this term important? Well, understanding phrases like root end helps in 1. Better communication in specific contexts like gardening, cooking, or botany. 2. Enhancing your English vocabulary, especially if you are interested in these areas. 3. Gaining a deeper understanding of English idioms and phrases, which can be very different from literal translations in other languages. There you have it, a closer look at the phrase, root end. Whether you're a budding chef, a gardening enthusiast, or simply love enriching your English vocabulary, I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently. Remember, every little phrase adds a unique flavor to the language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.